Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today video it's about Bitcoin halving. I'll provide you some definitions and at the end of the video I'll set a chart and talk a little bit about how halving will influence or influenced already the price of the Bitcoin. If you guys like the content, you can subscribe to my channel, give a video a like, and you can leave a comment in the comment section down below. So let's get started. Um, Bitcoin halving occurs every 4 years, reducing miner rewards and new Bitcoin to the existing supply. So this is how Bitcoin is generated. It slows down inflation and increases Bitcoin price. Bitcoin halving is a pre-programmed event that occurs every approximately 4 years or after the mining of every 210,000 blocks. During a halving, the reward for mining a new block of Bitcoin is cut in half. As 2023, Bitcoin miners or network participants who successfully validate transactions are awarded 6.25 new Bitcoin for every each minted block. The next halving set estimated to take place on the end of this April 2024 and reduce the block award to 3.125 bitcoins. This date is based on current estimates. The halving of the block reward is a key feature of Bitcoin monetary policy implemented to control the inflation rate, ensure the cryptocurrency scarcity, and increase its value over time. Each Bitcoin halving event reduces the number of the new Bitcoin produced per block, resulting in the lower supply. Bitcoin was created as a deflationary currency similar to gold. So this is a parallel between Bitcoin and gold. Gold, as you all know already, has a scarcity, and for generating gold in the market, it needs to be physical mined, and Bitcoin it's quite similar to obtaining gold, but this time Bitcoin is digitally. As it becomes scarcer and demand increases, the price likely increase in line with supply and demand economics. The Bitcoin halving will ultimately cap the total supply of Bitcoin at 21 million coins, and each Bitcoin has 100 million Satoshi in it. This fixed supply is one of the fundamental characteristics differentiating Bitcoin from traditional fiat currencies, which can face inflationary pressures due to central bank policies. These scarcity-driven price dynamics have historically played a role in Bitcoin price appreciation after each halving event. It will be interesting to see how Bitcoin price will be impacted by future halving events. As I said before, to generate new Bitcoin in the market, it must be mined, and to mine Bitcoin, you must have a powerful graphic chipsets, and miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems and secure the network. When the block's reward is halved, miners get fewer Bitcoins for their efforts. This affects the profitability of mining operations, as miners have to anticipate it reduces block rewards and adjust their strategies accordingly. Bitcoin halving events often generate a lot of interest and speculation in the cryptocurrency market. Anticipating lower supply and potential demand increases can contribute to price volatility. During previous halving events, Bitcoin price experienced both pre-halving rallies and subsequent price increases in months and years following the event. However, Bitcoin price is influenced by various factors. The market can be easily manipulated by those who have the majority of the capital that are and those who have the majority of the capital are fewer in the market. And Bitcoin price isn't solidly determined thus by halving events. It can be influenced also by positive news and negative news that you will find on internet or in the media. Bitcoin first halving was in November 28, 2012, and the block reward was set at 50 bitcoins. After the event, the reward was reduced to 25 bitcoins per block. Um, and I'll provide you some details that from the first halving when the reward decreased from 50 bitcoins to 25 bitcoins. The first halving was after the block number 210,000. The block reward, as I said, it was 2,000 bitcoins, and bitcoins created per day 3,600 coins. The Bitcoin price before the halving date was about 12.35 US dollars, and after 1 year later was about $900. We will see some details on the chart. Bitcoin halving from 2016 was the second halving that took place on 9th July. Prior to the halving, the new Bitcoin per block was 25. It was reduced to 12.5 Bitcoins per block. The second halving took place after the block number 420,000. Block reward was 12.5 bitcoins, the new block reward, and bitcoins created per day was 1,800 coins. Bitcoin price before the halving was about 660 US dollars, and 1 year later was 2,500 US dollars. The third halving was in 2020 on 11 May. This last Bitcoin halving event reduced the halving and cut the block reward from 2.5 Bitcoins to 6.25 Bitcoins. The third halving took place after the block number 630,000. The block reward was as I said, cut in half, and then the new block reward was 6.25 bitcoins. Bitcoins created per day was about 900 coins, and Bitcoin price before the halving date was 8,500 US dollars, and after was peaked at 64,000 over the next several months. It was curious because in that third halving, we had not only one peak at 64,000 US dollars. We had two peaks. The second peak was about 69 US dollars. After the first peak, it was a 3 or 4 months period of mini bear market, followed by a short bull market that peaked more than the previous peak. The next Bitcoin halving is expected to occur in April 2024 after the block number 740,000, and we will see the block reward fall from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoins. The exact date of halving is not yet known. Um, and it's supposed to be at the end of the April this year, and we will see what will happen. While the halving is often associated with positive price movements in Bitcoin, it is not guarantee an immediate or automatic increase in price. Every halving leads to smaller increase in the circulating supply of Bitcoin. So, as I said and I discussed earlier, I will give you a chart to discuss. This chart is on Bitfinex, and I set it on weekly to compress it a little bit to make it simpler. And here on chart, I marked the third halving and the second halving. The information from the first halving it is not shown here because this chart starts at about 2013 and the second halving was earlier. So, as I said, the price of Bitcoin is influenced not only by halving but also by the media. But as you see very clearly here, by the way, the chart is set on a logarithmic to make the information more visible. As you see from the first two peaks from April 2013 and November 2013, it followed a bear market, and the price dropped from 1,000 at about $1,000 to a minimum of I don't know. It was below $200, 190, 180, $170. And after that, we had a rally to a peak on that was on December 2017. As you can see here on the chart, this is the second halving that took place in July 2016, and the price was about 600 US dollars, and later peaked at 19,000, almost 20,000 US dollars. And more to be more exactly, here shows to be 19,750 US dollars. After that was a bear market, and we had a mini bull market that value increased from 3,300 and something US dollars to about 13,613 US dollars. After that, the price decreased. We had a major dump. Here was the when the COVID-19 pandemic took place in the world, and still after the price had two peaks, as I said before, at about 64,000 US dollars and 69,000 US dollars. And before that, we had the third halving in May 2020, and the peaks was in 29 March 2021 and about in October 2021. These are not precisely the dates. This information it's plus or minus something. It's not so accurate, but I want to see you to make you see the bigger picture that the Bitcoin price evolves in time, and the halving impacts the price of Bitcoin. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me to this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a video a thumbs up, and I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.